ne nya no ime enkom rahye bedwafie mu ne kokuma ye wo rahye bedwafie mu no de omgusu agina wo mu die mu se aban no wonte ne amamuo no asoafo no so from 86 no emra 65 na de entiasa ba biemu ye NDC party headquarters satra wo mu de abre rahye bedwafo wo mu members of parliament no and say memo wo mu nye asoafo foforo ye ne ye vet wo mu no memo onye wo mu ntum Adom TV etwaso
Mo rahye bedwafie enimanimu ya ehwe se Ghana mampanyin na Adom Akuffo-Addo ene na aban no ebetumi ate asoafo mu wo rahye bedwafie no eso ediafie ediwotwe insia ediaba aduosia enum na sadom kuma no echede a wombekoswe din hwehwe NDC amanyoko no ediagu akwa mu na asoafo bia Ghana mampanyin besansoso yi wo mu bia no enya de se wo mu ebepene so na ene na wo hwe se asoafo Ghana mampanyin yi wo mu nyina no appointment committee no ebetoto wo mu ano abam ne nsentwerefo edi nkomo wo rahye bedwafie no opanyin na Adom kuma no ano Dr. Atoforsen echere se do mama nyuku no asie no eno ano mbedi so na eno asoso no mde be ye adwuma.
1. Immediate reduction in the numbers of ministers from the current level of 86 to 65. 2. The merger of the foreign ministries. For example, 1. Information and communications to be merged. 2. Transport and railways to be merged. Chieftaincy and tourism. 3. 4. Sanitation and local government, among others. And then agri and fisheries, if possible. The immediate reduction in the number of political appointees at the office of the president, we also expect that to be done. Immediately, we also demand an immediate scrapping of all amorphous creations and waste pipes. Job for the boys. Appointment since the assumption of the office of the president in 2017.
Esa sa so yahudo ne bi eni soafo biada wo ma no nte no sa so yahudo e won hyebre ene sei